Hello, everybody. This is the update from Shielded Labs for today's August call. In front of you on your screen, we can see the viewer that you've seen before from the last time. But now this week we worked on addressing a lot of technical debt to do with our Malachite integration, and that was in order to be able to switch to arbitrary payloads for the BFT. So I can propose a message here. I can say, hello, arborist. I'll do /Sam. Now my node is proposing that. And so when it becomes my turn to create a block, we should see it appear on Andrew's screen, which is in front of you. It might also help if Andrew proposes a block as well. This is not exactly the intended mechanism of how this is supposed to work inside Malachite. Are you proposing, Andrew?
Another block is proposed. Yeah, we'll see what happens. So we can see in the background that the rounds are increasing as we try. And as I say that, we have our message from Sam, and then the message from me.
Yes, these can run in very quick succession. When right now there's a round robin between the finalizers or proposers, and what's happening is things can get a little bit clunky if we don't propose, because then it has to stall for a round, etc., and then eventually get passed around to somebody who is proposing. But I can propose again. And well, we can see this mechanism working. There we go. See, it took a little while, and again, I think the time you could the a tentative view of this could time how long that took. I think it's probably going to be 2 to 3 times 5 or 6 seconds or something if you count the timelines. Anyway, so that's on the Malachite side. We also have updates on the actual visualizer stuff. Andrew, what have you been working on this week?
Right, so the kind of core thing with the visualizer that's new is the ability to have nodes that branch off one another, and as they get put onto the visualizer, they use a force-directed layout approach to make sure we have a kind of balanced tree. And we can generate a tree or a bunch of side chains for either chain, and that is going to be among, as well as just being able to view the data, we're going to be able to use this as input for tests. We also currently have a setup so that tests can output data and then we can import it into our visualizer, just to make sure that we have a decent mental model of what the test is actually working on.
I should say as well, we have since last time fixed up support for syncing, so you can turn a pair off and then turn it back on again, and it can connect to the network and resync back up. We're still working on some connectivity stuff to do with. I want to get punch through done. We'll see if we end up doing that. For NAT traversal, because it should just be something we can turn on and live P2P. But yeah, do we have anything more to share this week?
I think that's the main stuff for this week, but we'll have some more pretty soon.
All right. See you all in 2 weeks.
See everyone.